Hi guys, welcome to Pitch Trading Flow, where we provide top-notch trading education and unique trading opportunities. Whether you're just starting or looking forward to take your trading to the next level, we've got you covered. We're an educational community that specializes in technology and financial research. Our services encompass physical trading floor session, where our team collaborates as a community to help every individual achieve their trading goals. Join our intensive one-month Forex bootcamp, where you learn Forex trading effectively. Our experienced instructors will guide you through real-world Forex trading scenarios, risk management, and profitable strategies. By the time you're done with this course, you'll be well equipped to trade with confidence. Our academy offers to teach you a comprehensive one-month Forex trading bootcamp designed to teach you everything from the basics to the advanced trading strategies. Pitch Trading Flow, we are dedicated in creating a supportive and inclusive community where we help all our traders achieve their trading goal. Listen to our experienced traders as they share their weekly trading activities.
My name is Mr. Ben Ataria, and I'm a professional trader, and I trade with Pitch Trading Flow. My trading this week was I had a little setback in my first trade because I went in a little bit too early than when I was supposed to. But then I was not affected because of my risk management strategy, because I lost that first trade. But I didn't give up because I know the trade idea was still valid. So I re-entered at the right spot and I was able to recover from the loss and still made profit. For this week, I learned a whole lot, but I can narrow it down to just two things. I learned risk management to be inculcated in my trading ideas, and at the same time I learned how to be patient, to patiently wait for my setup to happen with good confirmations before I execute my trades. So that's basically what I learned after taking a trade that landed me in both profit and loss. Okay, talking about my trade, I can see my trade setup here. The one I took was NZD card. I traded NZD card, as you can see, we're in a 1 hour time frame, and the price has been bullish. As you can see, this is a bullish trend, and then it started dropping. But I know that this was a pullback. I wasn't even around to see all of this, but when I got here, I saw this massive mitigation here that led to this drop. And then I saw my trade idea. I was like, I'm going to take advantage of this drop because I know after dropping, there was going to be a pullback into this rejection block here. And if the price comes back and mitigates this block, I'm going to sell. And that's exactly what I did. I took the sell right here and took my profit down here. It came all the way, mitigated it and dropped. So basically that's the trade idea that I had for this week, and it was profitable. It was a lot of emotions, mixed emotions, because I experienced both loss and profit, but on the general, I broke even. I neither gained, neither did I lose, because I recovered the money I used in trading. So I'm on break even, so I can go back, I can come back next week more motivated to be in profits. Yep.
My name is Thank God. They call me Tjis. I'm a trader here. My experience so far this week is it's been good because taught me a lot of things. So like most especially patience while holding your trade, patient while waiting for your setup. So this my experience so far. It has taught me because understanding this we allow you to be patient even when you are on the trade, even when you are waiting for your setup, because most of the trade I took this week, especially the Euro GPP, that trade, it took me about 2 days for price to move to about 3R. If I was not patient, I would just, take out the trade. One trade I took this week that I can really say patient plays a major role inside this USD CHF. So you can see here, I identified my structure, it was bearish. So this was my supply zone. Price tapped into my supply zone. I wait for price to break this structure. Once price broke my structure, I waited for my liquidity. So when I saw my liquidity, I even sent this trade to my friend. When price was here, I sent it to my friend. So that the price pulled down. And as you can see, price went back up again, but I was still patient. Because I've already accepted my risks. Patient to wait, because here is my TP. So I waited. Now we can see price is here. This trade, I learned that regardless the market movement, if you identify your setup, your edge, and your edge said sell, no matter who is saying buy, follow your setup, follow your rules. USD CHF was a good trade for me, because I waited for it to play, my setup to come to me, then I took the trade.
My name is Godwin, aka Time Sage. I'm a professional forex trader here at Pitch Trading Floor. This week has been kind of slow. I've been looking at USD, AUD USD actually. As at Wednesday, Tuesday, I think I entered a trade, and that was USD CAD. My direction was correct actually, but I entered a bit too early, and I was not really generous with my stop. So I got stopped out. But I still saw an opportunity to still enter the trade, but I had exhausted my limits for that day. So I think I actually learned how to be very disciplined. I'm kind of happy I stayed, although the trade played out quite nicely, but I still followed my rules. And so that's something I learned this week. This week, currently, I'm on a trade on AUD USD, and as you can see on my screen, the whole idea behind this trade, I've been bullish for a while on AUD USD, and this is the weekly time frame. For this week, price started on, I think this was on Tuesday, it took out this low. I think this is a minor retracement. So it took out this low here. This was Thursday's low on 2 weeks back. So I think this is a sweep of liquidity. This is a 4-hour fair value gap. This is my daily range. I don't trust this high. I'm expecting these highs to go off. So I took this trade expecting at least my first target to take out this high, and I'll watch for price to see how price reacts around this 4-hour fair value gap. Today is NFP. I usually don't trade NFP, so close to NFP, I might decide if I want to reduce my positions or probably just opt out of the trade. The most important thing in trading is discipline. Discipline in terms of sticking to your system, sticking to your risk management protocol. That's basically it.
My name is Godwin AB. I'm a trader at Pitch Trading Floor. All right, trading this week has been fun. Little ups and downs, that comes with the business of trading. Most times you don't win all the time. So I think I had little setups for the week. Many trades didn't meet my trade criteria, so I didn't take much trades, but I think I had one or two opportunities to trade this week. All right, so one of the trades I took this week was a trade on Euro USD. So I'm going to walk you through the trade, how I took the trade, and the psychology of managing that trade setup. All right, so this is the trade here on Euro USD. I saw this buy opportunity and it met my trading criteria, and I took the buy. I was able to hold this trade for more than a day, I think for close to 48 hours, and the trade was quite slow. And on reaching the next day, after holding this trade for more than a day, I was having a hard decision on taking profits or closing the trade, because this trade for me was a swing setup. I just wanted to take out the weekly highs, and seeing a sell profile for me gave me a hard decision, and I eventually closed this trade prematurely, which I did, and the trade eventually hit the TP. So this trade was kind of one of those trades for me where I flinched at the last minute, based on I saw a setup for a sell, and I was thinking, the trade price was coming to take me out of my position, so I had to run along with whatever I had. So I took the available profits that the market has given to me, and I left with it. And eventually the trade played out, took out the weekly highs and bought into and created a new range. So one of the things I learned from this trade is sticking to your trade plan. It's very important, and sticking to your trade plan. If you have a plan on a trade, it's better for you to hold it till it hits your TP, or probably it takes you out on break even. Most times when you take out the trade prematurely, you end up not seeing the overall potential of the trade, and this also creates a negative psychology in the mind of the trader, which is not good for an aspiring trader or a professional trader. So this was one of those hard decisions I took on Euro USD, and I think going forward, this has taught me a valuable lesson that I would not repeat on another trade. So this was one of the things I learned from this trade, and I think managing your emotions also, it's one of those things with the business of trading. You have to be able to manage your emotions and also manage your trades, and take out what the market can give to you at that time. So I think this was a swing setup, and maybe I was not quite ready for that swing setup. So that was what happened with this trade. So.
name is Alfred AB. I'm a professional forex trader at Tjis trading floor. My experience trading this week, it has been rough. It has been rough though, not really rough. The market has been crazy. I traded just twice this week. That was Tuesday and Wednesday. Yeah, Tuesday and Wednesday. I traded GBP USD, and the price was actually consolidating, and I was trying to sell. And I got stopped out though, made just a few losses, but regardless, we move on. Okay, as traders, we learn every day. So what I actually learned this week is that I should stay more patiently, and I should try to not let my psychology affect my decisions in the market, you understand? Because you know, psychology is what makes a trader and takes away life from a trader also. Okay, this week I took 2 trades, but I'm going to share with you GBP USD, the other trade I took that I also got stopped out though, but let me share this with you. Okay, I was in this trade. This is GBP USD. I was in this particular trade, and back then price took out the previous day high, which is this level over here, and I was trying to sell from this level here, and price was just consolidating. I had my stop loss above this high here, and I was selling from here, trying to target these other lows because I anticipated yesterday to be the high of the week, you understand? Okay, which is Thursday, yeah, Thursday. Anticipated it to be the high of the week, but the price was just ranging, and I actually got stopped out and I let it go. I didn't let my emotions make me to take other trades, you understand? Because as traders, what we do, we have to try to make minimal losses while we take advantage of our wins. You understand? Maximize your wins and make little losses. So that's why I just stopped taking trades. And even today, it's Friday and we are having an event today, but I won't be taking any trade today because it's Friday and I really don't like taking trades on Friday. So I'll just let it slide, and next week we come and we'll do better.
My name is Paul Lord, and I'm a trader here at Tjis trading floor. I've been trading here for the past 1 month. First of all, I took 2 trades. Both of them hit stop loss, and with that, what I learned was that, first of all, I took my entry from, price took liquidity from my level, and it happened that I entered too early. So my takeaway from the trade I lost was that you have to be patient. I need to exercise more patience when I execute my trade. And again, I was supposed to enter again, but then I had already reached my daily limit for my loss. I'll be talking about a trade I took this week on USD card, a sell position I took. Price got to my POI on the daily time frame, daily fair value gap, which is this box I shaded here. On my POI, price created my setup, which is it. Took liquidity from the previous day high, created a BMS on the lower time frame, which is on the 15 minutes here. I was supposed to enter here, which I did. I entered here on this fair value gap on the 15 minutes. But unfortunately, I was stopped out before the trade went to my TP. I was supposed to enter again, but then it's as though I'll be chasing the market. So I need to leave it and trade another day. And one thing I learned from this trade was that I have to be more patient, and you know, the good thing is I lost just 0.2%. I would have entered again, but you know, I'd already exceeded my daily loss limit, so I left it to trade another day. In summary, what I learned was patience, because it happened that I entered too early and my stop loss again was a bit too tight. So if I can, you know,
give the market a room to breathe next time on my next trade to be worthwhile.
Join our intensive 1-month Forex Bootcamp where you learn Forex trading effectively. Our experienced instructors will guide you through real-world Forex trading scenarios, risk management, and profitable strategies. By the time you're done with this course, you'll be well equipped to trade with confidence.
For this week, I learned to stay disciplined and stick to my rules. I'm actually happy I stick to my rule, and currently I'm still on another trade, and hopefully I'll end the week profitable.
My trading this week was I had a little setback. I didn't give up because I know the trade idea was still valid. So I re-entered at the right spot and I was able to recover from the loss and still made profit.
As traders, what we do, we have to try to make minimal losses while we take advantage of our wins. You understand? Maximize your wins and make little losses.
I learned that regardless the market movement, if you identify your setup, your edge, and your edge says sell, no matter who is saying buy, follow your setup, follow your rules.
Our academy offers to teach you a comprehensive 1-month Forex trading bootcamp designed to teach you everything from the basics to the advanced trading strategies.
For next week will be more of being able to adapt to the concept of patience when your trade setup has not been activated. From my experience this week, I urge myself to be more patient and improve on my risk management strategy. And secondly, to never to trade against the trend, because I realize that I sometimes like to trade against the trend as long as the setup shows up. However, it has not been favoring me, so I've told myself that next week or from now onwards, I'll only be doing pro-trend trading. I wouldn't be caught trading against the trends by any means.
What I will do is that previously this week I was risking 1% per trade, so what I will do next week is I will go lower, a bit lower. I will be risking just 0.5% per trade, and I'll try to maintain consistency and a balanced psychology while trading. That's what I'm going to do next week.
My major goal for next week is to maintain my current strategy. I'm not doing any strategy upgrade. Just to maintain risk management and also see how I can bring back my account from where it is. I'm in a drawdown position right now, so I'll try as much as possible to maintain good risk management and also keep my psychology in check. So I think next week I'll just plan my trades and trade my plan. Every other thing remains the same. So.
Next week is, as usual, I'm going to follow my rules, plan my trade my plan, and that's all it. But my major goal is to withdraw. Like, the target is to make 3%. Then once I'm up 3%, then I will withdraw.
Well, my goal for next week is to ensure that I diligently follow my trading system, do proper analysis, manage my emotions, ensure I manage my risk properly, and eventually end the week profitable.
Goals for next week is to keep following my trading plan, execute when I'm supposed to execute. Whenever I see an opportunity, I strike. Trading is a game of numbers. You win some, you lose some. Eventually, I end the week in break even and then profit on my account.
Game arena, we have different kinds of games. We have snooker, tennis, darts, and PS5, where we ensure our traders have balanced experience. Welcome to our podcast session, where we interview our traders, learn from their experience, get their insights, and hear their stories. And mind you, no member of Pitch Trading Flow will DM you first. We don't accept investments from anyone. Beware of scam.
I'm the director and the senior supervisor of Pitch Trading Flow, and our sole aim of Pitch Trading Flow is to make traders better, is to fund traders and help them achieve their dreams, because we notice that most of the traders cannot fund themselves. They don't have that capital to start. That's why Pitch Trading Flow came for them, and we funded them and we helped them achieve their dream. Some of our traders have difficulties this week, but we expect them to learn from their mistakes so that next week they'll do better, because in Pitch Trading Flow, our traders are good, they are better, and I hope they'll learn from what we've taught them. So next week could be a good week for them. Anticipate more on our weekly recap where traders share their experience and what they go through and how they improve on their trading journey. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on our YouTube channel. And our YouTube channel, we normally drop giveaway videos. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell, and also check on our website to get more information on Pitch Trading Flow at www.pitchtradingflow.com. Thank you.